Hi, I'm Bob Westby. I'm a power systems engineer at Analog Devices. Critical applications. Critical applications such as assembly lines, healthcare, aerospace, data centers, they all need reliable power. But how do you create reliable power? So the challenge is to create a reliable power system is that not only do you have to worry about your power system, but you have to be concerned about the reliability of that power that's feeding into your system. You want to be able to remotely monitor your system because you need evidence that your system is working correctly. You also want to be able to remotely control your system, and you want to be able to prevent abrupt power outage. Analog Devices has parts that can help you with these challenges. We have PowerPath Controllers that can monitor incoming power coming into your system and select between whichever power source is up. That way, no matter what incoming power might fail, your system will stay running. We have digital power system management chips. These chips allow you to remotely monitor your system, send telemetry data about your system to a remote computer. They also allow you to remotely control your system. You can set up the startup sequencing, shutdown sequencing. You can control thresholds. You can do margin testing and many, many other control functions. For temperature, we have very small, very low current temperature sensors. These units are ideal candidates for populating a power system in multiple locations. And to prevent abrupt power dropout, we have supercapacitor regulators. These units provide that emergency power, so if there is a problem, the microprocessor can shut down in an orderly fashion. It can save data, and you shut down your system in a controlled fashion. These techniques, they save money. In assembly lines, they prevent unexpected downtime. In healthcare, they help ensure safety. In aerospace, they may prevent catastrophic failures. So these techniques, that ability to monitor incoming power and select between incoming sources, that ability to remotely monitor your system, that ability to remotely control your system, and that ability to prevent abrupt power outages. Those techniques help our customers create reliable power systems. So if you'd like more information, please go to our website, analog.com/power. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.